Welcome to this tutorial where we will show you how to use the dialer feature for outbound calling in Brokerkit. To start, please access the Brokerkit platform. Go to the option phone number. Your outbound calls will come from your Brokerkit phone number. The forwarding number is the one to which calls and text messages will be redirected. This is often your cell phone number. If you need help setting your Brokerkit phone number, please refer to the article linked in the bottom right corner. Now, go to the option User Settings. At the bottom of the page, you can choose whether or not to record your calls. Don't forget to click Update User Settings to save your changes. Now that we have set up our Brokerkit phone number and our recording preferences, let's use the dialer. Open a new contact profile. Select the option Call. If the contact has more than one phone number, you will have the option to dial their cell phone, office phone or other phone. In most cases, you'll be prompted to allow microphone access the first time you use the dialer. To ensure proper functionality, select Allow when prompted, or enable microphone permissions in your browser settings while visiting the site. Once the call starts, you will see the dialer. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to maintain excellent call quality. In the dialer, you can do different actions. First, there's a number pad to dial through the menus as needed. There's also mute, hold and hang up options. There's a notes section where you can type any relevant information as you are talking to the contact. To end a call or hang up, click on the red button. Once the call ends, you will be redirected to the call notes sections where your call note will be transferred and you can finish typing your notes. If you like, you can change the visibility settings. If the button says Staff Only, it will only be shared with your admin and staff users. But if the button says Shared, it will be shared with any agent or affiliate user who is set as the referrer. It's possible to create a follow-up task. Click on the plus icon and fill out the task details. Once you have finished adding your call notes, click Save. The call information, including the disposition and notes, has been logged. Additionally, since call recording was enabled, a recording of the call has also been saved. The follow-up task has also been logged in the contacts profile. Now, let's move on to how to review the number of calls that have been logged. To review the number of calls logged you have, go to Reports. Select the option Activity. You can filter the report by date. And if your account is part of an organization, you can also filter the report by level. In this report, you can review the number of calls logged based on the filters you have selected. To export your report for offline analysis, click the button Download Report on the right top corner. If you'd like to share this report with people who don't have access to Brokerkit, simply click the Generate Shareable Link button. This will create a link that allows them to view the report directly. Finally, we will show you how to check your usage. For this, go to the option Billing. At the bottom of the page, you will see a table with a summary of the number of calls your account has made. At the top of the page, you can know your current plan, which in this case is Enterprise Monthly. To learn more about the usage limits of your current plan, click Change Plan. In the first table, you can check the number of call minutes to the US and Canada as well as the number of call recording minutes included in your plan. If you go over these limits, Brokerkit will not block your calls. Instead, you will be billed based on usage at the rates listed in the second table. That concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support team at support@brokerkit.com.